Hi everyone, this is Anurag. Today in this tutorial we are going to see about operators. For example, 5 plus 10 equals to 15. So what are these? These are called as operators. And what are these? These are called as operands. So what is operator from this? We can say operator is a entity. What it will do? It will perform the operation. If operators are not there, can we perform an operation? No, we cannot. Okay. So let us see what are several types of operators and also how to use those operators. First one is arithmetic operators. Comparative operators, logical operators and concatenation operators. Let us see these operators now. So arithmetic operators means plus, minus, multiplication, divided by. Comparative operators means greater than, less than, greater than equals to, less than equals to, not equals to, equals to. This is also symbol for not equals to, and also not in between, not between, etc. Okay, logical operators are, and also we will see here like, not like. Okay, logical operators means and, or. Concatenation operators means concatenation. This is a symbol. So what a concatenation operator will do? It will combine the two strings. So first of all, let us see something called as dual table. After that we will proceed to our demo session. There is something called as dual table. This is owned by sys user. So this is a table, by default it will be there. So what we can do with this dual table? We can perform several operations in the dual table. Okay. For example, we can perform like this: select 5 plus 10 from dual. It will show the output as 15. Okay, but after the completion of operation it won't store the result. Okay, its basic size is about only varchar 2 of 1, that means only 1 byte, only 1 byte size. But based upon the query, the size of the dual table will increase. After the completion of the query, size of the dual table will decrease, will retains its original position. Hence this table is also called as magic table. Okay, this is also called as dummy table. So let us see what is this table, how to use this table, and how to do operations by using operators. Okay, we will go to our demo session now. So here I have logged in as root user, hence hash prompt appeared. Now I want to connect as normal user, that is Oracle. Now I have created a database here called test. Now I have connected to a database called as, I have created a database, I have exported the instance of test database. Now we will give SQL plus, which means that SQL plus is a tool to connect to the database. I want to connect to the database as sys user. Then give startup. Already database is started, showing already started. Now let us see dual table. Select star, let us perform an operation in dual table from dual. What it shows? Output. Okay. Similarly you can perform select into 5 from dual. That means even though this big operation can be performed in the dual table. Okay, though the size of dual table is 1, based upon the query the size of the dual table will increase. After the completion of the query, dual table retains its original size. Hence this dual table is also called as magic table. If you again give select star from dual, it will show nothing. That means it doesn't store any data. This is about arithmetic operators. Now let us see about comparative operators in a separate user. Okay, I will connect to a user called as u1. I have created a user called u1, and in that user I have created some table, that is employee table. I want to see the data present in this employee table. 5 rows are there in this in this employee table. So I want to check, I want to see first comparative operators. How to use comparative operators? Select star from employee, retrieve all data from employee table where salary should be greater than 6,000. So salary greater than 6,000, that means it will show all the salary, all the details about the employees whose salary is greater than 6,000. Like this, there are 3 employees whose salary is greater than 6,000. If I give greater than or equals to 6,000, then it shows employee salary whose salary is equal to 6,000 and greater than 6,000. If I give less than 8,000, okay, here I think 8,000 is not an issue. If I give salary less than 8,000, what it shows? All the values of salaries which are greater than which are less than 8,000 will be displayed. If I give less than or equals to 6,000, it shows values of salary which are equals to 6,000 and less than 6,000 will be displayed. This is less than symbol. Now if I want to see the salary values which are equals to 10,000, it shows like this. Okay, if I want to see employee number equals to 5, it will also use the same thing. Okay, we are retrieving all data from the employee table where employee number should be 5. This where is a most powerful clause in the entire SQL language. Okay, so then let us see not equals to. I want to see details about all the employees but not details about employee number 4. So it shows employee output as 1, 2, 3, 5. It is not showing 4th employee details. Why? Because we have given the condition employee number not equals to 4. And you can also use this one. This is also a symbol for not equals to. Okay, it is also showing details about employee number 1, 2, 3, 5 but not 4. Now let us see some other comparative operators. Here I am giving where salary in 5,000 comma 10,000. That means it shows all the details about the employees whose salary is 5,000 and 10,000. Okay, if I give where salary not in 5,000 comma 10,000, what it shows? All the details about the employees whose salary is other than 5,000 and 10,000 will be displayed. Okay, now if I give all the details about the employees whose salary is between 5,000 and 10,000, what is difference between operator and between operator is, if you use in operator, it will show the salary between, if you use in, it will show the salary in 5,000 and 10,000 in the given example. But if you give between 5,000 and 10,000, it will show the employee details about the employees whose salary is 5,000 and whose salary is 10,000, and also salary between 5,000 and 10,000. Understood the concept? Then if I use all the not between 5,000 and 10,000, this displays all the details about the employees whose salary is not equal to 5,000, not equal to 10,000 and not equal to any value in between 5,000 and 10,000. Okay, this is about not between. Now if you see the data in the table, select star from employee, it is showing this data. Now I want to get details about a particular employee whose name, I want to get details about a particular employee whose name starts with S. So I will give where ename like operator S percentile. That means starting letter will be S, after that anything might be there. Okay, like this it will show. And if I want to see all the details about the employees whose names starts with S and ends with N, it shows only one employee. Okay, if I want to see all the details about the employee whose names start with for example start with S and ends with H, it shows output like this. Okay. Similarly, I am clearing the screen here. Similarly, if I want to see all the details about the employees whose name like percentage or percentage, that means I want to see employee details in whose names R letter will be there. R letter, before R anything might be there, after R anything might be there. So it shows data like this. There are 3 employees, Srinath, Dravid and Virat, whose names will have R in there, whose names will have R. Okay. Then next concept we are going to see not like. Before that we will see one more, S percentile 4n and n. That means it displays the employee details whose name starts with S, ends with n. In between them 4 empty letters will be there. I know first letter and last letter. I know there are several 4 letters in between them. So I can give like this. Okay, this is like. Then if we see not like percentage T, that means it displays all the employees details whose name does not end with T. So there are 4 employees whose name does not end with T. It is not displaying Virat. Understood the concept, right? This is comparative operators. Now let us see logical operators. Select star from EMP, which shows employee details, 5 employees. Now I want to get the details of employees number 1 and salary equals to 5,000. That means here I am specifying 2 conditions. Employee number should be 1 and salary should be 5,000. There are only one row which satisfies both condition. Okay, it is getting displayed. But if I give where salary equals to 15,000, is there any row which satisfies the both condition? No. That's why it will show no rows selected. Okay. Then I want to combine this 2 conditions by using OR operator. Here I have given 2 conditions. Salary should be 15,000, employee number should be 1. If I combine this both conditions by using OR, it will display the employee details who will satisfy the first condition or second condition. There is 2 rows which satisfies the 2 conditions. First row satisfies the first condition, whereas the second row satisfies the second condition. Okay. Now this is AND operator and OR operator. Okay. Now let us see concatenate operator. Select star from employee. See, I want to combine 2 entities. Let us see how to do that. Select E number. I will write the query and I will explain again. Select E number quotation is working in D number from EMP. What it shows output as like this. That means select employee number and we are concatenating these 2 strings by using this is working in. Employee number 1 is working in department number. First this one is for display the employee number. This is to display the department number. 1 is working in 10, 2 is working in 10. If I want to see if I want to see everything that is in which department this employee working, I will give employee number 1. It will show 1 is working in 10th department like this. Understood the concept? This is concatenation operator. Okay. Like this there are several operators that we have seen today. These operators are most important if you want to retrieve the data, and there is something called as where clause here. This where clause is the most powerful clause in the entire SQL. Okay. So this completes our operator session. Hope you enjoyed the session. Bye.